guys should all be familiar with this if you're already adaptive work users. And if you're not, a custom action is just a way to manually call a workflow rule. So it's not a triggered workflow rule. It's not a scheduled workflow rule. It's a human activated workflow rule. So I'm going to go to my custom actions. I'm going to make sure that I have the right project selected. Now I can select multiple projects and run this custom action, so I might as well do a couple of them. And we can see that I've got a calculate sentiment action over here. It's a very simple custom action. All it does is one action, and it just goes and calculates. It doesn't take too long, it takes a couple of seconds. If you've got more fields, more projects, more text in those fields, it is going to take a little longer because that AI has to go and basically read all of that, interpret whether it's connotating positive or negative. So I can see, please refresh my browser for each one of my projects. I got 4 responses. So as the message indicated, I don't see any change, but if I refresh my browser, we're now going to see that I have a change in the order here. Remember, we had a bunch of neutral items, but now my retool assembly line project has moved from a neutral to a +2, and that's because there's new sentiment in some of these text fields here. So that's how sentiment analysis works. It's a nice way to start dabbling in AI. You don't have to go too deep into it. You don't have to use the full Copilot product that Planview is rolling out, but this is available to you now. All you have to do is expose the fields, build a little either workflow rule or a custom action, and tag whichever text fields in your projects or programs that you want to be calculated or included in the sentiment calculation.